Hi, tutor and classmates. My name is Lorena Urrego, and today I want to share with you the answer of my random question. My random question is: do you play any sports? Really, I have little time to play sports, but I like to ride a bike in the mornings. I try to get up early, take my bike, go to the Timisa Park, and have 30 minutes to practice this sport. I think this sport is complete because in this you need to exercise all body to practice this. I greatly admire a lot of the Colombian cyclists. They are heroes for me who make a great effort to have hard training all year for their competitions. In addition, when I have more time, I run along the path of the lake. I try to give 3 laps to this. For me, it's very important to practice some sports because this helps me with a healthy life. And when I can ride a bike, my body feels more oxygenated and I have the energy to do all activities of the day. I believe that cycling is an excellent sport for the mind. You can release your thoughts and have opportunities to receive a good ideas and expose all stress that we have for different situations in their life. That when you can practice this, you have an excellent day. In this sport, we can know new landscapes and beautiful places. Also, having the time to admire nature and breathe pure air is very necessary to change our routine and enjoy with friends, family, and other people that maybe we haven't time to spend with them during the week. In Bogota, we can use a bicycle route. This is perfect for people that want a new and alternative way of transport. Thank you very much.